So today, we're going to be looking at some flying machines. Rock and roll. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Jody. She doesn't know we're going to do this yet, so... She went to a tattoo meeting today, so I'm really curious about the design. Still waiting for Jody, and she doesn't know that I'm in the car. So when she comes around that corner, I think she's gonna come out of that corner. I'm gonna honk the horn to scare her just because it's fun. There she is. She hasn't seen me yet. Here we go. Bruh. She didn't even like, she was like, huh? Oh, car honk. She didn't even get... It's hard to prank her. I'm gonna have to try harder, so this one kind of failed. Apparently, spotting airplanes makes you cry. There we are. Where are the freaking airplanes? They're nowhere. Where are they? Look, the dog is very excited as well. I hear one, but I don't see one. Where is it? It's there. It just landed. It's coming closer. It's coming closer. That was the first plane. Let's do a lame high five. Lame. Going for a closer approach so we can see the landing better. I really like KLM. I think I've flown KLM maybe 3 times or so. And once we flew KLM after we missed our flight in New York. That was really funny because we were supposed to fly with, I think, Delta. Yeah. And somehow we missed our flight. It wasn't our fault because there was a lot of lines and traffic at the airport and, well, long story, but we missed our flight. And then we got rebooked on a KLM flight for free, thank God. And that KLM flight was so much better. This is called a meerkoet. Roughly translated, you could say it's a moorkoet. Or a less koet. Or maybe a more or less koet.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
So that was the plane spotting. Hope you liked the video. Give me a little thumbs up if you liked it. And see you on another video. Peace.